Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let's say you have a workout going and you want to stop it and you're not sure how to do it. To stop the workout, you simply press the crown button or swipe right on the screen to open the pause menu, and here in this menu you will see the stop button and you can tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it basically tells me that the duration of the workout is too short for the data to be saved and it will end the activity and won't save the data. And I don't care, so I'm gonna tap on the check mark to confirm, and that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.